In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the administrator password in ERPNext. Whether you're managing a large team or simply need to update your credentials for security reasons, changing your password regularly is a good habit to maintain. So, let's dive in and ensure that your account remains secure. First, you'll need to log in to ERPNext. Once you're at the login page, type in your current credentials, your username and password, and access the dashboard. If you're like me and spend quite a bit of time navigating through various software, you'll know that the dashboard offers a central hub for all your activities and settings. Once you're logged in, look in the top right corner of your screen. You'll find your user icon, or perhaps your name displayed there. Click on it. This action will usually reveal a drop-down menu with several options. The one you want to select here is called My Settings. It's your personal control center where you can manage different aspects of your account settings, from updating your profile to changing your password. After selecting My Settings, you'll be taken to a new page filled with various configuration options. This is where you need to focus on changing your password. So scroll down this page until you see the Change Password option. It's crucial to ensure you are on the right section, as this is where the security update takes place. Now you should see fields prompting you to enter your current password, your new password, and a confirmation of your new password. Start by entering your current password. Remember, if you have any doubts about your current password, it's best to double-check it, as this will prevent any login issues later on. Next, move on to the New Password section. Here, you'll want to think about creating a strong password. Consider using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to make it as robust as possible. Make sure it's something memorable but hard to guess. Once you've entered your new password, you'll need to type it again in the Confirm Password field to verify its accuracy. This step ensures you didn't make any typos when entering your new password the first time. Finally, after you have filled in all required fields, look for the Save button and click on it. This action will update your password, securing your account with the new credentials you've just set. Make sure to remember your new password or store it in a secure password manager to avoid any future login difficulties. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your administrator password in ERPNext. With these steps, your account is now more secure, giving you peace of mind as you continue to navigate through your daily tasks. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.